We just got to Animal Kingdom Lodge. We've never stayed at this part of the resort before. I'm so excited. We just got to our room and we have a Savannah, partial Savannah view. Oh my god. I did not pay for a Savannah view, but oh my gosh, I see animals. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I see there's a giraffe back there. Let me change it to the zoom in. That is a giraffe over there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's also an animal right there. There's more right there. Oh my god, this is so cool. When they texted us our room number, I was like, we might see animals. It was kind of a distance, but this is our view. Okay, let's go back and see what the rest of the room looks like. Also, Cornell's here. So exciting. He's got some binoculars.
I see a deer booty.
A deer booty?
Yep, it just wagged its tail.
Those turkeys right there, I think those are turkeys. And then there's a giraffe. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Okay, we just got into our, again, this is a standard resort view room, but we definitely can see animals, which I was hoping for. We had a long travel day today. We were sitting on our plane for like an hour and a half, so we're here a little later than planned, but you know, it's worth it. Here's our bathroom, got a Kuna Matata art. Ooh, we got a shower cap and vanity kit, that's fun. And then got a nice shower, toilet. I love this. We got a Keurig and then we got the like sunrise, sunset. We got 2 queen beds here. And then we got a little dresser and table. There's lots of mirrors in this room. And then Cornell looking at our view. So yeah, we're at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We've stayed at Kidani Village before, renting DVC points, and this time though, we're staying at Jambo House, which is the pretty lobby, and I really wanted to stay here, so oh my god, so excited. Okay, we're tired, we're gonna rest up a little bit, I'm gonna make some coffee, and yeah, but yeah, that's our room. Also, I want to show you this too. Each side of the bed has a little phone charging spot, and there's some more art. So yeah, stoked. What kind of traveler are you? Are you the one that likes to unpack and put everything in the drawers, or the one who lives out of your suitcase? I guess we're one of each. Hey, we're at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Yesterday we got here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, did a quick little room tour, showed off our room a little bit, but yeah, I don't think I've done a deluxe resort kind of tour or video, so here's my first deluxe resort, which will be great. We're staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We have stayed here before. We stayed at Kidani Village, however, which is our DVC area. This is my first time staying at Jambo House, which I gotta tell you, I'm really loving it. It's beautiful. It smells good. I love all the options that they have, like food and drink wise. I think they have a lot of great options. I prefer Jambo House because it's closer to a lot of that compared to Kidani. Really, all you have is Sanaa, and that's it. There is a bus and shuttle transportation you can get to and from, but this is just a lot easier. But yeah, I hope to showcase some more of the resort in this video. Typically Animal Kingdom Lodge tends to be one of the cheaper deluxe resorts when booking. But yeah, we were magically surprised with, I guess, a partial Savannah view room, which is awesome. I booked a resort view. I don't know if this is actually considered a resort view or a Savannah view because I could see animals, but I'm not sure. It's not like the area where the big animals are, like the giraffes and zebras are, but I think we could see antelopes, there's some birds, turkeys and stuff. That's what we can see, but I mean, I'll take it, that's super fun. We're in the zebra trail building kind of towards the end, but yeah, so that's where we are right now. today we're gonna go to Epcot. I'm here with Cornell. We haven't been since September, which if you remember in September, he got an annual pass. So we gotta use that, which we actually did use it yesterday. We had a long travel day yesterday, so we wanted to enjoy the night and I didn't film anything. But we actually went to Animal Kingdom and had some fun night vibes at Animal Kingdom. I'll maybe, if I want to add in some pictures somewhere there. But yeah, night vibes at Animal Kingdom, very underrated. I don't think I've actually really done it before. We got to ride Everest that night, which was really fun. It said it was a 20-25 minute wait. It was more like 15 minutes. We did the Zootopia show. We walked through Pandora at night, which was very cool. Got some cool photos there. And then I got to try the drink I wanted to try at Yak and Yeti. I don't know if I said it in my video, but they changed the menu the day after we went, when I went in January. And they had a miso espresso martini I really wanted to try, so I got to try it, which was great. I really enjoyed it. It was very nutty, which came from that miso. Not super sweet, which was great, but it was smooth and it was really good. It was fun, and they actually had 2 seats at the bar. We could have sat at the bar for longer if we wanted to, but we decided to walk through Pandora instead with our drinks, which I think was great. And then we did the Zootopia show, and then we came back, got quick service at the hotel, and that was it. But today we're going to Epcot. I'll show my outfit in a little bit, but we're going to do Festival of the Arts today, Cornell's favorite festival. We're both very excited. It'll be his 2nd time going, my 3rd time going, and when I went in January we did some festival stuff, but not a lot, so I'm hoping to do more of that today, which will be great. And with him, love coming to Disney with Cornell. Makes it so much more fun. But yeah, so come join us at Epcot at the Festival of the Arts, doing all the Festival of the Arts things. We do have a fast pass for Guardians at 10:30, so that'll probably be the first thing we do. And I am probably meeting some family at some point. Not super sure, but got some fun plans for today, and we'll see what all we get into. So come join Matt and Corn. I'm Matt and Corn. He's getting ready. Here's our view this morning. See, like we can see animals over here. I'll try to zoom in. I think those are vultures over there, and turkeys also over there. Oh, there's something back there. I can't zoom in anymore, but there's like a white thing over there. Walking. Oh wait, there's a giraffe. Can I point it? Where's my finger? It's like right there. There's a giraffe right there. I think it's actually eating. I can't zoom in anymore on this camera. But there's typically these antelope like to eat right there. That's what we've been watching. But yeah, I might showcase what else you can see at the other overlooks. There's lots of different overlooks you can look at animals at here. Fit today at Festival of the Arts. I got this button-up shirt on Amazon. It's got like snacks all over it. I thought it was really cute. This is a Made by Molly skirt, which I love these skirts. I need to buy more. They're really comfortable. And then I got this hat last time, or 2 times ago, in my happy place. I really love it. But yeah, we're heading to Epcot. Again, we're gonna have a chill day. It's really just enjoying the day. Probably won't ride too many rides, but you know, with me and my trips, you don't know. So come join. Look who's here.
Oi. Oh yeah, it's the new camera.
Yeah.
This is my first time.
Morning,
It
guys.
had a little screen.
Good morning.
I didn't know there was a little screen on there.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was the treads.
I just filmed, you probably just saw some clips that I filmed. I had my microphone in my hand. Guess what? The microphone was not on, but it's currently on right now. So yeah, we're just gonna walk through the hotel a little bit. Oh, it's focusing on you.
Oh, it looked at me?
Yeah,
Oh, I was like, get off your
it
phone.
chose to look at you instead of me.
Creepy.
So yeah, show you a little bit of the resort. I found all the other animals. There's some there. It's like breakfast time for everyone. So yeah, even if you don't have a Savannah view, you can see some of these little areas as you walk. There's some over there too. Cool. I like our room. It is kind of far though, but I'm hoping we're gonna see the nice lobby in a second. Oh, the bridge is one floor above. Oh, that's club level up there. I want to do that. That's on my list. If y'all like and subscribe, then maybe we can do club
Here's
level.
the thing, though. If you're on the club level, you're technically furthest away from the animals.
No, I think club level rooms here are for sure Savannah View. And then they have the club lounge, which is free drinks, food, alcohol.
I guess that's better.
Yeah, but they have club level at lots of resorts, not just here too. I've heard this is a pretty good one. And then Boardwalk in Polynesian I've heard is good. So we've been in the Broadway exhibit again, and Cornell has been loving it. We both are theater kids, studied theater, so he's loving it.
This makes me miss it.
Yeah, he said that multiple times. He's like, I miss being in the wings. We were just like watching the Beast's makeup transformation over here, which was pretty cool. It's also raining outside, so that's why I haven't been filming a lot. But we did get some Lorcana cards, so that's fun. That's all we've done so far. We've seen this, yeah. It does look uncomfortable. Alright, the rain, I think has stopped. But we just got off of Guardians. And we got September. We got a good song. My hair, oh my god. I'm so frizzy now due to it's so humid. Now it's food and drink time. They've already started putting some flower and garden stuff out. Yay, the sun is out. Oh, that one got a little messed up. Starting at Mexico. I've been wanting this crab tostada. Alright, I got the crab tostada. Cornell got the chili relleno taco. I'm excited. Alright, we're at La Cava. I got the Articarita. It's so good. And Cornell got the Crystal Inferno, one of his favorites. Good morning. It is the next day. I definitely did not film a lot yesterday. I think the last thing that I filmed was we were at La Cava, which was great. I got the Articarita. Cornell got the Crystal Inferno, which he's had before, and he really enjoys that cocktail. But then you also tried the ranch water. It was gross. He loved it. It's like a skinny margarita. I think all it was like tonic, lime juice, and then you can choose your liquor, and he chose mezcal, which I don't like mezcal. But he loved it. He enjoyed it. And if you're someone who doesn't want super sweet drinks, that was a good choice. But honestly, after that, we were spending time with family, looking at art. Cornell did get an art. I'll show you what we got. And then I'll try to add in some photos of some of the things we did. But we were just really enjoying time. And so after that, then we went to Morocco and got drinks, which, news to me, I found out I can get one of my favorite drinks on ice, which is the mint tea. I've gotten it frozen many times, but you can get it on ice at the Spice Road Table Bar, and it was fantastic. Cornell got a gin and tonic there. We also got food in Japan. I got the sushi donut. Cornell got the Wagyu bun.
he said it didn't taste like Wagyu to him. The sushi donut, it was sushi. It was good. And then we went to Rose and Crown Pub, which was such a vibe, so much fun. I got my favorite beer, which is the Golden Fox. I don't remember what Cornell got. And it was like indigo hibiscus something like that. And then honestly after that we left, said bye to our family for the day, and then we left. So that's all we did yesterday. I'm not sure how I'm going to edit all these videos yet because I did not get a lot yesterday. I don't know if I said either. We did ride Guardians and we got September, so we got a good song. So I feel like I'm on a good track right now for that. So that's good. But thanks for watching. Today it's gonna be real cold, but I'm gonna film better today. I'm gonna do a better job with that today. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.